Porsche. The name evokes sleek sports cars carving through corners and roaring down straightaways. Founded in 1931 by Ferdinand Porsche, this German manufacturer is synonymous with performance and luxury. Over the decades, Porsche has pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. From the legendary 911 to the groundbreaking Taycan, Porsche captivates enthusiasts and drivers alike.
No discussion about Porsche would be complete without paying homage to the 911. First introduced in 1963, the 911 is more than just a car. It's an icon. Its distinctive design and rear-mounted engine have remained remarkably consistent. The 911 is renowned for its agility and precision. Over the years, the 911 has undergone countless evolutions. Whether it's the GT3 RS or the Carrera, there's a 911 for every enthusiast.
In the early 2000s, Porsche made a bold move, venturing into the world of SUVs with the Cayenne. Many purists scoffed, questioning whether a sports car manufacturer could build a true SUV. Porsche, however, proved the doubters wrong. The Cayenne was an instant success, combining Porsche's legendary performance with the practicality and versatility of an SUV.
The Cayenne's success paved the way for the Macan, a smaller, more compact SUV that brought Porsche performance to a wider audience. Both the Cayenne and Macan have become integral parts of the Porsche lineup, attracting new customers to the brand while staying true to the company's core values of performance and driving enjoyment. These SUVs are not simply badge-engineered versions of other vehicles. They are engineered and built to the same exacting standards as Porsche's sports cars. They offer the same exhilarating performance, the same sharp handling, and the same luxurious interiors that have become synonymous with the Porsche name. The Cayenne and Macan have demonstrated that Porsche's expertise extends beyond sports cars. They are proof that the company can build vehicles that are both practical and thrilling, further cementing Porsche's position as a leading force in the automotive industry.
As the automotive world shifts towards electrification, Porsche has embraced the challenge, proving that electric cars can be just as exhilarating as their gasoline-powered counterparts. Enter the Taycan, Porsche's first all-electric sports car. The Taycan is a technological tour de force, a showcase for Porsche's engineering prowess and its commitment to sustainable performance. With its sleek aerodynamic design and lightning-fast acceleration, the Taycan is every bit a Porsche. It offers the same visceral driving experience, the same sharp handling, and the same attention to detail that has defined the brand for decades. The Taycan is not just about straight-line speed, it's about delivering a complete driving experience. Its advanced electric motors provide instant torque, while its sophisticated suspension system ensures exceptional handling and road holding. The Taycan represents the future of Porsche, a future where performance and sustainability go hand in hand. It's a car that proves that electric vehicles can be just as exciting and engaging as their gasoline-powered counterparts, ushering in a new era of performance for the iconic German brand.
Section 5. Engineering Excellence, the Heart of Porsche. At the heart of every Porsche lies a deep-rooted commitment to engineering excellence. From the very beginning, Porsche has been driven by a relentless pursuit of automotive perfection, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This unwavering dedication to engineering is evident in every aspect of a Porsche vehicle, from the precision of its engine to the aerodynamics of its bodywork. Porsche engineers are renowned for their meticulous attention to detail, their ability to extract every ounce of performance from a vehicle. They are masters of their craft, constantly innovating and refining, always striving to create the ultimate driving machine. One example of Porsche's engineering prowess is its innovative Porsche Active Suspension Management (PSM) system. This advanced system actively adjusts the damping force of the suspension in response to road conditions and driving style, ensuring optimal handling and comfort. Whether it's the precision of its handling, the responsiveness of its engine, or the comfort of its ride, every Porsche is a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to engineering excellence.
Section 6. Porsche and Motorsport, a winning tradition. Porsche's legacy is inextricably linked to motorsport. From the very beginning, the company has used racing as a proving ground for its technologies. This commitment has resulted in an illustrious racing pedigree. The 24 Hours of Le Mans has been a particularly happy hunting ground for Porsche. The German manufacturer has amassed a record 19 overall victories at Le Mans. But Porsche's motorsport success extends far beyond Le Mans. The company has also tasted victory in other prestigious races. Porsche's motorsport heritage is about pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. Lessons learned on the racetrack are translated into the development of its road cars. Section 7. The allure of owning a Porsche. Advantages and disadvantages. Owning a Porsche is more than just owning a car. It's an experience, a statement. Porsches are renowned for their performance, their style, and their exclusivity. They turn heads wherever they go, commanding respect and admiration from drivers and enthusiasts alike. But there are both advantages and disadvantages to owning a Porsche. On the plus side, Porsches offer exhilarating performance, with powerful engines, sharp handling, and a visceral driving experience that few other cars can match. They are also renowned for their build quality, their reliability, and their high resale value. However, this level of performance and exclusivity comes at a price. Porsches are expensive to buy, expensive to maintain, and often impractical for everyday use. Their sporty nature can make them less comfortable for long journeys, and their limited cargo space can be a drawback for some buyers. Section 8. Performance beyond compare. One of the most compelling reasons to own a Porsche is the sheer thrill of getting behind the wheel. Porsches are designed and engineered for performance with powerful engines that deliver exhilarating acceleration and precise handling that inspires confidence. Whether it's the throaty roar of a flat-six engine in a 911 or the instant torque of an electric motor in a Taycan, every Porsche delivers a visceral driving experience that is both addictive and rewarding. The precision of a Porsche's handling is equally impressive. These cars feel glued to the road, responding instantly to driver input with a level of agility and poise that is unmatched by most other vehicles. Owning a Porsche means experiencing the joy of driving in its purest form. It's about feeling the car come alive in your hands, responding to your every command with precision and finesse. It's about experiencing the thrill of pushing a machine to its limits and feeling the adrenaline rush as you carve through corners and rocket down straightaways. Section 9. Design that transcends time. Porsche's design language is as iconic as its performance. Its cars are instantly recognizable with their sleek aerodynamic profiles, their distinctive headlights, and their timeless silhouettes that have remained remarkably consistent over the decades. Take the 911 for example. Its sloping roofline, its flared wheel arches, and its iconic rear-engine layout have become instantly recognizable symbols of automotive design, influencing countless other sports cars over the years. But Porsche's design is about more than just aesthetics. It's about function following form, about creating cars that are both beautiful to look at and incredibly aerodynamic. The company's engineers spend countless hours in wind tunnels, honing the car's shape to reduce drag and improve performance. Owning a Porsche means owning a piece of automotive art, a car that turns heads wherever it goes and stands the test of time. It's a car that you can be proud to own, a car that reflects your appreciation for quality, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Section 10. Luxury and exclusivity, the Porsche experience. Stepping inside a Porsche is an experience in itself. The interiors are crafted from the finest materials, with meticulous attention to detail and a focus on both luxury and ergonomics. From the supple leather seats to the precision-engineered switchgear, every detail exudes a sense of quality and craftsmanship. But the Porsche experience extends far beyond the car itself. The company has created a brand that is synonymous with exclusivity and prestige. Owning a Porsche gives you access to a world of exclusive events, driving experiences, and a community of like-minded enthusiasts. Porsche understands that owning one of its cars is more than just a transaction. It's the beginning of a relationship. That's why the company goes above and beyond to ensure that its customers feel valued and appreciated, offering exceptional customer service and a range of ownership benefits that enhance the Porsche experience. Section 11. A legacy that continues to inspire. From its humble beginnings in a small workshop in Stuttgart, Porsche has risen to become one of the most respected and coveted car makers in the world. Its unwavering commitment to performance, innovation, and design has resulted in a string of iconic models that have captured the hearts and minds of enthusiasts for generations. Whether it's the timeless appeal of the 911, the groundbreaking performance of the Taycan, or the versatility of the Cayenne and Macan, Porsche continues to push the boundaries of automotive engineering, creating cars that are as exhilarating to drive as they are beautiful to behold. As Porsche looks to the future, one thing is certain: the company's unwavering passion for automotive excellence will continue to drive it forward, ensuring that the Porsche legacy of speed, luxury, and innovation will continue to inspire for generations to come.